Namaste, namaste everyone. How is everyone doing today? You can see I got this beautiful namaste as a gift, so I thought why not start our video with this. So today we are at our house, talking about this place that we just have been talking about on our radio. But today Sushil and I have the opportunity to taste the food for the first time. And yes, I am talking about Bob's Lounge and Grill. Bob's Lounge and Grill की काफ़ी चीज़ें काफ़ी खाना famous है. But we have some specific dishes today. As you can see, the Goan specialities of theirs is something that we are going to be trying. And this is their menu. They have a lot of grill items, Chinese, different rice dishes, curries, and we do have the butter chicken here today, which we will try in a bit, and the Goan specials. And Bob's Lounge and Grill is located at 6401 Hillcroft. So their number is 832-310-8440, Bob's Lounge and Grill. And I'm going to turn the camera so that now, namaste again from me, Vanshika, and I also have Sushil with me.
Namaste, namaste, namaste to all our listeners. A big, big, big namaste.
जी हाँ, हम लोग आज बॉब्स लाउंज एंड ग्रिल का खाना ट्राई कर रहे हैं. एंड डेफिनेटली वी कैन से दैट आप ज़रूर ड्यूरिंग द नेक्स्ट whenever for your Thanksgiving, for your any upcoming parties, or just go pick up their food and have fun. And right now, Sushil, how was your experience picking up food and everything?
Very good experience. In fact, I love the place, man. It's it's like a hole in the wall place, but when you go inside the place, it's very lit up, amazing different color combinations. वहाँ पे pool table भी है. They have a full scale bar. I was not expecting, but they have full scale bar. Any liquor you need, it's right over there. They had these beautiful LED screens all over the place where they're playing nice Bollywood, upbeat Bollywood music as well. It's a place where you can go and chill with your friends actually. Or on top of that, Sone Pe Suhaga is the food that they have over there. Their chef is actually, I had the option to meet their chef today as well. I went into the kitchen. And he is a Goan chef as well, so that's one thing I'm looking forward to try, because Houston mein, I don't think with Goan chef I've never come across a place that serves authentic Goan dishes itself. So
that's right. And like Sushil said, Goan chef. तो हमने आज 2 गोवन स्पेशल चीज़ें ऑर्डर करी है.
Absolutely.
एंड आप एक जो चीज़ हमारे पास है उसके बारे में कुछ बता रहे थे अबाउट द pomfret.
Pomfret is so Goan dish.
Yes.
Yeah. So we had the opportunity to pick up some nice Goan dish. उसमें से एक shrimps है, prawns है, जिसे हम इंडिया में prawns कहते हैं उसे. और and then we have the pomfret. Pomfret is
pomfret rechade.
Pomfret rechade. So rechade basically comes from Portuguese, if I'm not mistaken the word, and Goa is highly influenced by Portuguese because it was a Portuguese colony. And वहाँ की specialty है, और ये कहीं रेस्टोरेंट में pomfret rechade नहीं मिलती है. Basically pomfret rechade means stuffed fish. It's a special filling that they mix the masalas with, and then they stuff the fish and then usko grill karte hain. So that's basically
so you've had it back in Goa in India
long time ago.
Okay, so
because yahan pe kahin nahi milti.
So let's try. I'm very excited क्योंकि मैंने कभी भी ये dish try नहीं करी है. But before that, hello Charu, hello.
Hey, Charu.
And of course हम आज आप सबके favorite DJ Dolly Deep को miss कर रहे हैं?
Absolutely.
नहीं. I'm just joking. But yes, we just thought we'll pick up the food and try it, and maybe I would say that आप लोग सब जाइए and try करिए. And now back to the food, and let's see, Sushil, what do we have here?
So we have their famous, what they're known for is their butter chicken. You can look at the color of the
butter
gravy.
Chicken, and
it's so enticing.
Yes.
Look at the color of the gravy.
And this is Sandeep's favorite too, because he has been raving about this butter chicken forever. And then this is the
chili prawns.
So it is called the shrimp, chili shrimp, right?
Chili shrimp.
So it's called the Goan chili shrimp. You can see I love these long cut onions and chilies. Wow. And it, I know you guys can't smell it, but it smells so, so, so good in here. It is amazing. And then the favorite जिसके बारे में सुशील बात कर रहे थे वो है pomfret rechade. And you can see this is the stuffed one, right?
Yes, that's the whole pomfret.
So that's like a chutney kind of a thing inside, right?
It's a special masala that they make it.
Oh wow, can't wait to try it. So pomfret है, shrimp है, chicken है, and of course उसके साथ हमारे पास chicken biryani है.
And you can look at the colors of the biryani itself. You can look at the long grain rice that they use. It
And
smells so good.
आप उधर से they have chicken fried rice also that you can try. And then we have rotis, and at times they do have Romali rotis also. And of course some salad and chutneys and all that.
These are your big rotis, by the way.
Yeah, these
not
are
your
big
small.
rotis.
These are homemade big rotis, actually.
So you can see the food looks really, really, really good. And Sandeep bolta hai yummy. Yes, Sandeep. I am finally going to try the butter chicken that you've been, telling me about. And I can't wait to try all of this. Look at this. Wow. Just looks amazing. Sushil, you want to try the fish and give us...
Oh, the honors. Absolutely.
Yes.
So, I'll take a bite of the roti with the fish itself. I'm a big pomfret fan, by the way. Because my upbringings are from Maharashtra. Wow, it smells so good.
You like the chutney inside?
Love it. It has a very particular taste to it.
Okay, we will find out now today that you met the chef. Probably next time.
It's a very nice flavor in the mouth itself. Delicious, and the fish just melts in your mouth.
Wow.
Just a word of caution: pomfret has bones,
Yes.
so be careful when you eat pomfret.
Yeah. But आपको वो caution की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि आप bones भी चबा के खा सकते हो, right?
Absolutely, yeah. Because I was born in Maharashtra, not completely raised, but born, so I'm a big seafood foodie fan, especially pomfret itself.
So yes, so that is pomfret renard, right?
Pomfret rechade.
Rishad, sorry, I keep messing the name up, but you know what I mean, guys. And we do have the chili shrimp. Go ahead, try that. See, so Sushil is more of a seafood lover, so you will always have, we always make him try the seafood first. That's the chili shrimp.
Oh.
The Goan chili shrimp.
It has nice spicy flavor to it, and it kicks in later in your mouth, actually.
मुझे इसमें
It is proper chili prawns.
So, my favorite thing in this that I can see is green chilies. I love green chilies. And of course the shrimp, but I love these long cut onions. Oh
It is
my
sweet
God.
and spicy taste to it, both at the same time.
And I am going to try the butter chicken. I cannot wait to try the butter chicken. And I'm going to dig in because it's only Sushil and me. And you can see a little bit of background music in this video is because our puppy is going crazy because he is being locked in the room at this point. But he'll be out soon. Wow. Very good. The best. Sandeep, you were right. This is one of the best butter chicken that I've ever had in the US, honestly. And Sushil is trying it also now.
Wow. It's so creamy.
I love the flavors in the butter chicken.
It's like you get back home. Very creamy. Very rich.
That's right. So guys, again, today we tried butter chicken, Goan chili shrimp. We tried the pomfret rechade. There's the roti, biryani, and some salad and raita. And again, हम लोगों ने आज Bob's Lounge and Grill में ये सब चीजें try करी हैं, but you do have more options. And that's exactly how it looks from the interior. The number again is 832-310-8440. And they are located at 6401 Hillcroft. And they follow them on Facebook, follow them on Instagram. They do have a website, bobsloungeandgrill.com. And they are open Monday through Sunday, 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. And yes, Sandeep, तुम्हें बड़ा butter chicken याद आ रहा है? जल्दी go and pick up your butter chicken from Bob's Lounge and Grill. So I hope you all enjoyed that video today of ours tasting Bob's food from Bob's Lounge and Grill. Definitely try them out. Again, their number is 832-310-8440. And we want to give a special shout out to everybody at Bob's Lounge and Grill for supporting Namaste, for giving us the opportunity. And a big shout out to Prasad.
Obviously Prasad.
Thank you, Prasad, for this hospitality. We really appreciate it. And you guys are doing a great job. Keep doing the great job. And hum hai. And we urge everybody to go and support Bob's Lounge and Grill. These are the times that, you know, small businesses need your support. So go out and support
And
Bob's
guys, it's a
Lounge
very
and
chill
Grill.
environment. You can go with your friends. You can be there. They open at
Hookah
5
bhi
o'clock.
hai.
Hookah bhi hai, full bar bhi hai. Food is amazing. 5 बजे खुलते हैं, 5 से 10 जाओ आराम से बैठ के relax करो, chill करो. And if you're a late night person, of course they open at 2 o'clock in the morning. So
Absolutely, absolutely. So again, Bob's Lounge and Grill, follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you guys. Namaste, bye bye. We
आप
will
जाइए
see
बॉब्स
you.
में और ऑर्डर कीजिए. हम तब तक खाना
खाना खाते हैं. And again, मैं खाने की शक्ल दिखा दूं एक बार. Bye bye. Namaste from Vanshika and Sushil. Thank you. Bye.